hold it.
Well, I pushed the button. Is it not working?
There it goes, finally.
They have a camera so they can see them.
Yeah. Jacob, what can we do for you?
Are you hurting?
I got a headache.
You have a headache?
Jacob, what can we do for you?
Make me yawn.
Make you what?
Yawn.
Make you yawn?
Ah. Take a deep breath.
Hello?
Hey, Jacob, how many fingers am I holding?